Hey guys, welcome to Human Resource in our fall B session. So it is now, today is actually the 11th of October. We will begin class on the 16th of October, which is Monday of the upcoming week. Well, my name is Mr. Argueta. I will be the instructor for this course. I wanted to give you a video with some information that will be helpful in getting you started right away. First and foremost, the big question everyone asks is, do we have a book for this class? Well, we do not have a physical book, but we do have an access code. Attached to this email will be a link where you can log in directly into this class. There's two ways to do that. Obviously, through the link that I'm going to send you, and also on the 16th, you can log in through Blackboard by clicking onto the first assignment. It will take you directly to that McGraw-Hill website. I want to make sure you all have a good start to this. So there is a 2-week free trial subscription to McGraw-Hill. Please take advantage of that. If you wait to get your access code from the bookstore or there's a delay somewhere, you are going to fall behind on our weekly assignments. Week one, since this is only an 8-week course, week one starts off right away with 2 chapters. In this course, I know some of you have had me in other courses, but in this particular course, we will be doing all the Learn Smarts, all the homeworks, and all of the weekly quizzes, including a midterm, a final, and discussions every week. Wanted to make sure everybody's on the same page from day one. So day one, we start off with a syllabus quiz, which is also going to be considered that week's discussion. It's going to be very simple. Tell me about yourself. Introduce yourself. Now, I want to make clear, because I know a lot of people maybe are used to other instructors, I do not have a word minimum on our discussions, but I do have a requirement. You are required to write more than just 1 or 2 sentences. I don't think that you need a word minimum. I'm not going to sit there and count the words, but it has to be substantial. It has to be more than 2 sentences. It has to be a paragraph at least. This first week is really just telling me about yourself. You should be able to tell me something. I have posed some questions. If you're having a difficult time answering that, please just use what I have. But you are required to reply to 2 other students. On that first week's discussion, it's also considered your syllabus quiz, which for an online class shows that you have participated that first week. If you fail to do that, you will be dropped from the class. Now, fair warning, this class has overloaded amounts of students. So we have, I think at this point, 75 or 76, which basically means we have 6 students over our capacity. So if you get dropped from the course because you did not complete your syllabus quiz, you probably will not be reinstated. So please make sure you complete the syllabus quiz right away. Other than that, chapter 1 and chapter 2 will be ready to go on the first day of class on the 16th, that Monday. The way we structure this is every week you will be given a folder. The week 1 folder will have all the assignments that are due in that week. Then that would close out. Week 2 will open up, and week 2 will have all the assignments that are due that week. You don't need to run around in different places. You just go to your lessons tab in Blackboard, go to your week 1 folder, and complete everything that's in that folder. It should be pretty straightforward. We have 8 weeks to tackle. There's a lot of work in this course. And like I mentioned, a midterm and a final and a discussion. So please keep up with the work. Other than that, I want to give you some information on how to get a hold of me. The easiest way to do it is via email, largueta@gntc.edu. I have my phone has email alert, so as soon as you send it, I'm able to see it. That doesn't mean I'm going to reply right away all the time. I try to, but I do have things to do outside of school. So if you are sending me an email later on in the evening, I'll do my best to reply, but I'm not going to guarantee that. Usually the rules are you have 48 hours to reply. So if I haven't replied in 48 hours, let me know. Something might have happened, and I might have not gotten you the right answer. But normally I try to reply within a couple hours. That being said, this is a human resource course, so we're going to go into depth on human resource topics. Please be ready to discuss those topics in our discussion. I think that should cover it. You can call me or you can try to call me at the office, but I am teaching some classes outside of my office, outside of my normal campus, so I can't guarantee I'll be at the office all the time. The best way to reach me is definitely email. Access codes. That's what you need. Please take advantage of the 2 free weeks. I will be posting up videos. Look out for them either in your discussion or announcements. I think that should cover it, guys. Looking forward to it, and have a wonderful rest of the semester.